If you're going for your driving test in Mirrabooka, I'm going to show you the worst driveway in the area, because when you're using driveways, you've got to have a clear vision. Sadly, for some reason, people choose the worst driveway on this driving test route. We are on Winchelsea Road, turning left. See, this is a stop sign, but that car's almost permanently parked there. So sometimes you've got to creep slightly forward to see better and then proceed. Because if you can't see well, you really shouldn't proceed. So this is Strawton Road. Many test candidates on this Mirrabooka test route come down here, and at some point they get them to a little street called Salma Way. So here we are, Salma Way. Turning on it, make sure you don't step on the wide solid line here. Okay, there's a solid line there, never cross it. So now assessor usually around here asks, okay, let's stop on the side of the road, pull over on the side of the road, wherever you feel is safe, indicate about 5 seconds worth of blinking. Okay, I've got a couple of good driveways behind me, so I'm going to use this spot here. And then assessor asks you, okay, I want you to remember this house. So remember where it is, what it looks like, remember which driveway you're using later on. So that's very important. Now, when they instruct you to go, you simply do it in the same order. I'll explain shortly why. So we select the drive gear, if you're driving an automatic car, obviously, and release the handbrake. But this one gets released automatically in this RAV4 that I'm driving currently. We first check the mirror. Only if there's no one passing, indicate right. If there is a car passing you, just hold it off for a moment. If there's nobody, we indicate blind spot briefly, and then we drive off. So here is where assessors generally ask, see, there's quite a few cars. Now, if they ask you to come back to the house here, often people go in this driveway. Can you see what the problem is? If you're using this driveway, your view is going to get completely blocked from here. No visibility whatsoever. I'm driving a pretty high car, okay? So even with lower cars, you wouldn't be able to see anything. I can't see at all as I'm reversing. If it happened, your best bet is to briefly communicate, to say, hey, look, I know I chose the wrong driveway, and then reverse very slowly. Extend your body as much as possible to see. See, I've got a little bit of advantage in this car because it's a lot higher car than average vehicle. Now I can see perfectly, and then squeeze out. I'm not going to go back to the house. It would be an easy task, obviously. Instead of doing that, I'm going to show you something else that's very important. Those cars are almost always there. I've never been here without seeing at least 2 or 3 of those cars. See, it's very difficult to see. You need to creep a little bit forward. See, I'm still not crossing the line there. Now I can see well enough, and I go. Secondary mirror check to see if anyone's catching up, and that's pretty much it. So be aware of this one, because a lot of people fail this for choosing the worst driveway on this Mirrabooka test route, not only for poor choice, but often cars come and they don't intercept them and they don't stop in time. This one's a bit funny. If the assessor says turn right, often people miss to check the left side. Could be traffic coming from there, and it's a very, very awkward angle there, okay? There's one, and I've just beat that car, checking the mirror to see if they're speeding. It's a similar scenario from the opposite direction. So I'm going to go to a driveway. Just make sure you've got a safe gap from the opposite direction. Often people commit to turning and they look away. You got to look towards that direction as well. See, now I can clearly see when I'm in this driveway, there's at least about 100 meters that I can see there is a car, but I can quickly squeeze out because it's still far away. So this intersection, this T-junction, comes on an L shape. Okay, so this is L-shaped T-junction, and that car is almost always there. If it's a parked car on the side, you have to be more cautious. Don't choose the worst driveway. Mirrabooka Driving Test Route is relatively easy. It's a low-density traffic, but often people fail for poor choice of driveways, and then as a result, not seeing a car that's approaching fast from behind. And if the assessor has to intervene either verbally or physically, that would mean, you know, the immediate fail. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.